All right, we're almost done here. All tubes have been equilibrated for 5 minutes. I'm going to remove them and put them here. Then I'm going to add enzyme. All right. Dismiss. Let's move on. Take these out. It is very hot. You might burn yourself, so be very careful when you're trying to do this. I'm going to show you how I do it. I move it, stick my hand and pull it out really fast in order to get this to not hurt. But it probably still will hurt a little bit. So don't judge me. All right, here we go. Stick my hand in there and pull them out. 1 is ice. Actually, I'm going to leave it in there. 2 is room temperature. Ooh, that's hot. That's number 5. Number 7. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh. I had 2 5s. Can't remember which one was which. And number 4. Ooh, that's hot. 4 is burning hot. Ooh. I have 1 in 37. I'm going to keep it there. I'm going to go ahead and add my enzyme. I'm supposed to add them to all. Good practice would be to leave this one in the cold. Then I'm going to add my enzyme. Here's my enzyme here. I'm going to add 1 milliliter of each. It's going to go to that mark right here. I'm going to stick it in. I'm going to suck it up and down to mix it. Now I'm going to discard this one. I don't want to reuse it. Now I'm going to do the second one is room temperature, this one. Put a little bit out. Ooh, it's kind of slimy. Up, down, up, down. Keep that in there. Now I'm going to go in the back to the incubator. And I'm going to do that one in there. Objective is to keep it in the environment at all times. Now, 4 is a control, hot control. So we're going to come back here. There's hot control. So that one's supposed to be boiling still. Oops, probably should have left it in there. That's number 4. It's too hot. I'll stick it back in there. Ooh, that's hot. Then I'm going to add my enzyme to that one. Up, down, up, down. Last one was a little slime on your hand, so just make sure you clean it off. The last one will be denatured. That's supposed to also be in there. That's number 5. So 5 should be in there also. Let me add 2 5s. Here's my 5. Stick it back in there. Ooh, that's hot. Then I'm going to get the denatured enzyme, which is number 7, has denatured enzyme in it. Stick that in number 5. Suck it up, mix it up real good. Now I'm done with these. Now I can clean up, disinfect a little bit while this thing does what it needs to do. Allow reaction to occur for 10 minutes. Cut this on. After the 10 minutes is done, then all you need to do is test for the presence of reducing sugars, or test for the presence of glucose. Remember, starch is a polysaccharide that consists of many glucose molecules. Salivary amylase is going to break down starch into the individual glucose units. Then we can test for the presence of glucose using Benedict's. Now at this time you can make some predictions on which one do you think will have the most activity versus which ones would have the least activity. Then we're going to test that theory by using Benedict's to see which one is more orange and which one has less orange or closer to blue. Remember, the positive would be if it's orange. Also green, but we're really looking for the color of orange.